Good Tuesday evening to you. Richard Scott here for the Look at Your Forecast update, including a risk of some strong storms tomorrow morning for Wednesday morning. First off, radar, this recording 10:35 on this Tuesday night. Some showers ongoing up on the 278 corridor across northern portions of Alabama, Hamilton to Double Springs back to Coleman. Again, that is just part of this whole system that's going to bring a lot of rain tonight to Alabama. There's the line of showers and thunderstorms see back over Texas and northwest portions of Louisiana, back in northwest Mississippi, and we got a lot of rain coming our way, and I do expect pretty heavy rain for many areas by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Here's a look from Tuscaloosa. Fog is starting to kind of dissipate a little bit, evaporate a little bit across the area, which is great news. Got a wind that is beginning to pick up, and that's going to mix out the air and prevent too much fog from developing. Earlier this evening, we had a big deal with fog across Alabama already, and we're starting to see conditions improve as that wind does pick up in the area. Visibility back up to 4 miles in Tuscaloosa, 5 miles in Demopolis, but still got some big problems at, again, about 10:30 tonight up at around Haydenville, Coleman, and Gadsden. But even there, visibilities will improve greatly later on tonight. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, I don't think we'll have any fog in our area. Dense fog advisory again continues for now, but we'll likely see that allowed to expire as fog does dissipate slowly tonight. There's the first wave of rain earlier this afternoon, moving across portions of west and northwest Alabama. Next wave of rain is set to move in again overnight tonight. That will slowly move in from northwest to southeast. Temperatures are warming back up to 70 in Meridian, 67 in Linden, Tuscaloosa at 63. I think overnight tonight, temperatures will gradually rise in the upper 60s, possibly around 70 by the time you wake up tomorrow morning as this warm air mass does move northward. Now, you see the cold air back towards the west. That's not coming our way for now, but again, we will notice some cold weather by the time we go into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We just got to wait a few days before that does happen. Temperatures tomorrow topping out in the low 70s. Look for a good chance for rain and thunderstorms early in the day. I think by lunch, rain will start to come to an end across Alabama. Here's one of our computer models to show you what happens tonight. 3:30 in the morning, rain falling over northwest and west Alabama. A line of thunderstorms coming on through. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, impacting areas like Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Gadsden, back down towards Livingston. At this point, there could be a few strong storms involved in this. I don't think this is going to be a big risk of severe weather and tornadoes, but it's enough of a risk. We want you to keep an eye on the weather conditions early tomorrow morning. But look how fast this moves out. 11 o'clock in the morning, it's gone. Still some showers are lingering around into the afternoon, but again, by 11 a.m., most of this is pretty much out of here. So what we're looking at is 5 a.m. to noon officially in terms of the risk of some strong storms. For West Alabama, 5 a.m. to 11 a.m., East Alabama, 9 a.m. to lunchtime. And again, it really looks like most of this is going to be out of here as early as 11 a.m. So this is going to be a morning event where we could see some strong storms involved, and there could be some gusty winds, some heavy rainfall. I can't rule out an isolated tornado, but I'm telling you the risk of that with this event is going to be very low for Wednesday morning. Just be alert in case there's a random tornado warning. We'll be here watching the radar trends carefully as well in case there is a spin up somewhere out there. So here's your forecast again. Thursday, we're going to be great. Low 70s on Thursday. Friday, clouds increase. Temperatures still in the 70s. Saturday, though, here comes the colder air filtering in. We still got some rain on Saturday, but Sunday, look at the temperatures in the 40s. Christmas Eve, highs in the 40s. Christmas Day, low 40s. It's going to be really chilly on Sunday and Monday. And despite what you may see on social media that's being shared like crazy, this weird Christmas Day snowstorm, it's not there. There's no evidence of anything in any of our computer model data of a snow on Christmas Day. It looks like just cold and dry on Christmas. I think a few days ago, maybe about a week ago, some of our long-range model data kind of hinted at the possibility of some snow around Christmas time, but since then that has faded away. But the power of social media continues to share that idea of snow. So best word of advice, just watch what you share on social media. Who is the source? Where's it coming from? Is it a strange website or is it coming from a local meteorologist? Always pay attention to local meteorologists. Those are the guys who are going to have the best handle on what's going to happen. So that's what we're paid to do, is tell you what the weather's going to do. And unfortunately, there's a lot of people out there that want to get likes and shares and share these crazy weather predictions that never come true. But here's your 7-day planner. That's what I think is going to happen over the next 7 days. Could things change? Sure. I mean, obviously the weather can change easily, but based off of everything I see, all of our evidence in terms of our model data, it looks like next few days going to be warm, then turning cold and dry by Sunday and Monday, which is good. You know, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, I know a lot of people want a white Christmas, but you know, to be honest, snow on Christmas Day and Christmas Eve is really a hassle for a lot of people that are trying to travel to see their family. So be thankful that our weather is looking dry and just chilly for Christmas.